In today's world, workplace safety is more important than ever. Employers must ensure the protection of their staff against assaults, injuries, and harassment, while employees need to know they have a reliable way to get help quickly when they need it most. At Roar, we want to be your partner in workplace safety. Our groundbreaking and patented solution is powered by one press of a button to protect your people. It provides complete coverage anywhere in the building, including blind spots like stairwells and parking lots, to deliver maximum safety in times of need. Here's how Roar's panic button solution works. If Maria enters room 101 and requires assistance, she can simply press the Roar alert device. Our smart beacons will instantly report her exact location to nearby staff and security. She also has the option to send a 911 alert. If Maria moves to another room, her location will update instantly, ensuring quick assistance when she needs it most. Our solution is designed to operate independently of your IT network, and it was intentionally built to verify communication is never disrupted. That means if Wi-Fi goes down, cell signal is weak, or even if power goes out, our system will ensure alerts are still sent to secure your staff. Roar's panic button solution provides complete coverage, reliability, and ease of implementation without expensive drilling or business interruption. It delivers proven results, reducing your workers' comp claims and boosting employee morale. And ultimately, the system pays for itself in cost savings. Contact us today to see how we can help solve your workplace safety challenges with one press of a button.